salary management system. In this tutorial we will discuss how we can analyze data on the basis of the different ranking from the salary data bank. If I need salary for a particular designation, so I'm not supposed to go to the salary data bank and search it manually the required information. We have aim today that we just select or input the data from the data bank, and then we get the required result. So first of all, here we're going to design first the list validity. For that you have to go to the data validations. In data validation you have to pick a list, and over here we have to select the source. In this case, source starts from MD to the last one, this case, and then OK. And here you can see we have drop down list button. From this you can select any designation whatever you want. Now whenever we select any designation, we require over here his or her basic salary, working hours salary, and so on. For that we are using again a VLOOKUP formula. Now in this case we are actually linking the VLOOKUP formula with the list. So look up this, where in the table array, in this case my table array is my salary data bank. So what we want to call his column 37, which I have already done by the calculation like in this way. So you can avail this one. 37 I'm calling, and then putting 0 for the exact match. Here I'm calling the 5000 of that particular. Okay, now copy and select this formula, save time, and then paste over here. Just what you need to change, you only need to change the column number 37 I'm calling over here, and here then I'm again calling not sorry 37, sorry, it's 36, and then we have here 37, and now over here we have 38, which is this one, and then here we have what, the 39 column, and here we have 40 column. So I'm calling the index 40. Here we have 49, so we are calling here a 40. 49. So here we calling 50, and at the end we calling 51 for the net salary, this one. So after that, now what we need to do, we need to do only change the designation, as I'm changing clerk. So see here I'm getting change in the salary and the other required information. So we are actually analyzing the data from the data bank to the required information. Now the next thing which we need to do is that, what if we display this analyzed information in the form of the graph? For that I'm supposed to go to the insert, and in insert you may select anyone. Let's say I selected this one, blank, and then set it according to your requirement. Let's say here, now right click on the chart, select the select data option. Over here you need to add series. At this time I'm not adding here any series, but here it requires the values. We need graph for these values, so clicking over here. Now further here you can see we do have added 1 2 3 4. Actually at this stage 1 2 3 4 are not useful. tags for us. So let's go to add, and we are generating the graph again, these values. Okay, and press OK. Here you can see I just had a graph, simple graph. So whenever I change even any value, so its graph is automatically changed. What if you don't want these lines, just click on the lines and delete them. You may select the format of the graph from the over here. You may select anyone, whatever you want. Let's say, what if we avail this one, and you can also select the inner one in this form or any other desired option. For example, if we have the same one, so we can go for this one as well. Okay, now the question is this: what if you want to change the color of these bars? Just select, and from shape you may change the color. Let's say I want the red one. So if you want to get the change of a particular, once you, whenever you click, all the bars are selected. One second time you click on a particular bar, let's say over a taxation, so it's only selected, and you can change this color. I want this in this form. So by this way we just change the graph of this. So now you can play this as you want. If you like this tutorial, so please just